agarrado de las dos manos. Hey guys, walking right now outside the Catbird Hotel in downtown Denver. You can see it right behind me. It actually opened very recently here in the RiNo Art District area. We stay here for the weekend, a couple of nights. Super fun area, a lot of things to do, a lot of bars, restaurants, and just an amazing city. They actually have these two of the things that we really like, the kind of the highlight of our trip. So there are a lot of things that we like, but the Denver Central Market is an eatery place, a lot of local restaurants, bars, coffee shops, definitely a place that you want to check out when you're here in the Denver area. And then they also have like these scooters, I don't know if you see it all the way down there right behind, that you can rent. They're electrical scooters, so it's super easy to move around town. It's a fairly big area, and so walking, you can walk, but it gets really hot, especially during the tail end of the summer. So moving around with those is super nice. So definitely those are the two highlights of our trip. We also did a photo shoot, and we're super excited to see those pictures. If we get them in time to get them in the video, I'll definitely get them in there so you guys can see them. But again, everything that we did over the weekend, you're gonna see on the video, and we're going to make sure to put the link down below on the description, so you guys can check it out next time that you plan to visit the Denver area. And just make sure to subscribe to our video, to subscribe to our channel, not the video, like the video, subscribe to the channel. We have a lot of exciting trips coming up. We're gonna go down to Orlando, to Disney World, check out the new Bull Bash. We're heading to Vegas later in the year, and we have a couple of other exciting things coming up fairly soon. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. All right, baby, let's do it. It's recording.
Just be careful, baby.
Oh yeah, baby.
Do it for a little bit and then stop.
This way. Ah, that was cool. You're showing off. No, it's my turn. We need to turn on 37th.
Okay, turn left.
Right. Ready? ¡Ay! ¡Ay!
Agárrate bien, baby.
Estoy agarrado.
Pero don't tickle me. Agárrate.
Pues estoy agarrado, baby.
No, es que mira.
Hay un bomb. ¡Ay! ¡Ay! ¡Ay!
Agárrate.
Make sure you keep a handle on the brake, yeah.
It's not me. Agárrate.
Estoy agarrado de las dos manos.
Uy. Ay. Agárrate.
Estoy agarrado de las dos manos. En el diente.
I think con el phone.
Ah, pues está bien. Pensé que había sido con la pared. Until next time.